What's going on YouTube? This is your boy DEVINTAGE man, back with another video, and today you see the thumbnail and the title. You already know we're here to talk about today, and it is these Air Jordan 13 Flints 2020 edition, man. Very dope shoe. And I want to start this off with a quick little story, man. Back in like 2016, somebody had offered me the Flint 13s for $100, and I passed up on them because I was like, man, $100, that seemed too good to be true. And growing up, if something sounds too good to be true, you never follow through with it, man. So I was like, man, I'm good. I'm just gonna wait for their re-release, or I'm gonna wait to find another seller that got the Flint 13s, man. And now we finally have them here today. It just means a lot to have them in the collection, and it's very dope to bring you guys this early review and on feet, man. And I must say the on feet portion is very dope. So if you just come for the on feet, man, make sure you just go ahead and skip towards the end of the video. You guys already know how we do the video, you know, the video breakdown, the review, then on feet. But man, I must say that this shoe is very dope, and I'm glad to have it in the collection finally, man. So if you're new to the channel right now, what I need you guys to do is subscribe right now, hit the notification bell so you never miss the video that drops from the channel. And sometimes I go live randomly, man, so you gotta have the notification bells on so you get notified when your boy goes live. Please head over to IG, give your boy a follow at DEVINTAGE World. It'll be linked down below, and take advantage of the Air Jordan 1 Court Purple giveaway, man. That giveaway will be running all the way up until April 3rd, but that is depending on how Jordan Brand is going to be pushing back these release dates and the availability of the shoes due to, you know, some stores not releasing them, the release dates getting pushed back and stuff like that, man. So y'all bear with me, but the ending for the giveaway will be April the 3rd. So go ahead and spam up the comments, spam up your entries on Instagram. All the rules will be down below in the description box, so you can take advantage of that as well, man. So with all that being said, let's jump right into this quick review over these Flint 13s, man. Let's get right to it. All right, checking out the box, man. You got that pure platinum box all around. You got your red Jumpman right there, and inside you have your white tissue paper, no stamps or anything like that. And the official colorway and the size tag reads Air Jordan 13 Retro. Navy and University Blue is the official colorway. And I got these in size 8.5. I always tend to go a half a size down in my 13s, and it feels just like a size 9 with all my other shoes. So I would recommend you go down a half size, but whatever you do, whatever you like, hey, stick with whatever sizing you go by with your 13s, man. I feel like they're a little bit bulkier, so I'll go down a half a size, and I got a lot of room to work with this size 8.5 going down a half a size, man. And the retail price is $190. They didn't raise it, they kept it normal, $109 on the head, not too bad. So let's get into the sneakers. I'm gonna give you guys a lot of bureau on this video so you can get all the details for this shoe, but the first thing I want to point out was the 3M effect that you got over the upper of these 13s, man. The last pair that I released didn't have the 3M busting all the way through the upper, but this pair 2020 edition does, man. So be ready to have that 3M popping every time you go out, every time you put a light on it, and all that good stuff, man. I really like it. I think it's dope. You can actually kind of see it right now in the camera, man. So all navy blue uppers you can see, and it has that 3M, like I said, all around there. You got your hologram Jumpman over here with the 2-3 on the side of your shoe, of course. And when your pair comes DS, you get that little sticker over your hologram 2-3. Checking out the laces, man, all white laces. You didn't get any extra laces. And me, honestly, I would not put any other laces in these joints. Maybe a gray. I feel like you put navy blue in there, it's gonna take away from that whole Flint vibe. That's just my opinion. But I am interested in seeing, you know what I'm saying, people like Jason, you got to throw different laces in there so I can see how it's gonna look. Check out the tongue, man, where you get your like university or UNC blue on the tongue right here. Check out the leather quality on the toe box, man. It's very good. It reminds me of the Cherry 13s that we got, and I do believe that the He Got Game 13s has some good quality as well on those 13s. So those are two good sneakers to compare the leather quality to in terms of the 13s that's been releasing recently, man. So quality is good at some point. I'm digging it. Then you have your Jordan on top of the toe box, and you have your Roman numerals 13 on the back of that joint. Even the leather quality leading up towards the tongue, man, is pretty good as well. Doesn't look too cheap, doesn't look bad at all. I'm really digging it. Leading towards the midsole, that's where you get your gray suede hit down below. Check it out, very dope. And you even have some suede, you know what I'm saying, leading up towards the upper of the shoe. Suede material over here, of course, on the medial side, looking nice. And on the lower part of the midsole is where you get your all white, you know, Panther paws, man. So check it out, very dope. Like I said, not a lot of factory flaws with this joint. Of course, I did wear them, so you see all the dirt and stuff already. But these joints is probably one of my favorite sneaker pickups for 2020. Is my most anticipated behind the Fire Red 5s. I forget which way I like numbered it, but these right here is something I was really waiting on copping, and I'm so glad, like, seriously, man, I'm so glad to have these in the collection, man. Checking out the insole, man, you got a regular cardboard shoe tree, and then that's where you get your University Blue as well on that Jumpman on the insole, man. See, it's like a navy blue on the insole, man. Check it out. So all in all, I'm really digging this shoe. Let me know down below in the comment section if you will be going after these Air Jordan 13 Flints. I know this is on everybody's radar that I know pretty much, and everybody's really waiting for these shoes to drop. They keep pushing the release date back on most of these Jordans, kind of worrying a lot of people like when they're gonna drop the Flints, when they're gonna drop the Fire Reds and certain sneakers like that. Shoes that people been really waiting on. And I'm not sure on how Jordan Brand's going to do it with all this stuff that's going on around the world. So like I said, let me know down below if you're going to be going after these. Please hit the like button right now for your boy to go for every video to pass 100 likes. You guys have been doing that consistently the last 3-4 videos, man, so I really do appreciate it. Subscribe if you have not subscribed already, and hit the notification bell so you be notified whenever I drop another video. And I told you guys I was going to do the how to lace Air Jordan 5 video today, but these joints came in. I was like, man, let me go ahead and drop this reviewing on feet over the Flint 13s, because I know a lot of people are waiting to see how they gonna look on feet and how the quality is looking. So since I haven't dropped the Air Jordan 13 how to lace, be expecting that video either late this week or even next week, man. So y'all stay tuned for all the videos dropping. Appreciate you guys for pulling up to the video. Take advantage of the Air Jordan 1 Court Purple giveaway. The rules for that will be in the description box below. So all that being said, we're gonna jump right into this clean on feet over the Air Jordan 13 Flints, man. Let's get it.
You